Look, I got my phone on some ground pork and some ground beef. I'm going to make some Jamaican jerk meatballs. And I got my fork here. I'm gonna try to combine the two. I seen this recipe online the other day from a blogger or a food person named Melissa Southern Style Kitchen. So I'm gonna do her recipe and see how they taste, and show y'all all the ingredients that go in it that I happen to have had in my kitchen already. I stay prepared, y'all. So let me mix up this ground beef and ground pork right here, and I'll be back and show y'all what we're gonna do next. I got it all combined, and just to let y'all know what it was, that's 1 pound of ground pork, fresh ground pork, and 1 pound of fresh ground beef, 80/20. And let's go to the stove. There go my skillet heating up with some olive oil. About 2 teaspoons of olive oil. And so I'm about to saute down right here. That is my red. Let's see what the see if I got the recipe memorized. That's a half of a red bell pepper diced up. That's 1 whole onion diced up. That is about 4 cloves of garlic. Hope my phone in there. 4 cloves of garlic that I messed up. And where's that? I'm gonna add a few green onions also. So let's get this started. All right, let's add the onions. Let's add the bell peppers, the red bell peppers. And red bell peppers are so sweet. I like them. And let's add about the one, let's start with just 1 stalk of green onion. Okay, so let me saute this down to get translucent, and then we're going to add the garlic, because we don't want our garlic to burn. Alright. Okay, y'all, it got translucent. I added 1 habanero pepper in there. I diced it in there. Now let's add the garlic. I'll let that go for about 2 minutes, and we're going to take this off the stove and let it cool. Alright, y'all, in 2 minutes I can turn this off and put it on this side right there and let it cool. Alright, let it cool. We'll be back. Oh, that's cool. Now let me show you all these little bowls I got lined up. This here is 1, let me show my thing on there. This here is 1 tablespoon of fresh lime juice. Right here is 1 tablespoon of Worcestershire sauce. Right here is 3 teaspoons of jerk seasoning. You can use whatever you want. I have McCormick jerk seasoning and one that I made myself. So I put 2 teaspoons of the McCormick, and I put 1 teaspoon of the jerk seasoning I made. Right here I have what is this right here? Oh, that's 1 teaspoon of salt, 1 teaspoon of black pepper. Might put more or less to taste. Right here, that's 2 eggs beaten up. Yeah, 2 eggs right there. Right here, that's 1/4 cup of pineapple juice. Right here is 1/4 cup of milk. And right here is 1/4 cup of fresh chopped cilantro. And right here is a 1/2 cup of breadcrumbs, panko breadcrumbs. So, see how I had to memorize all that, y'all? We'll be back. Alright, y'all, I'm finna get my hands dirty. I got my glove on. Y'all see my glove? Got my glove on. So, alright. In our ground beef and ground pork, let's add the sauteed vegetables. Just gonna slide it up in there. That's why I got my big. That's why I got in that big silver pan. I got room to work with. So we're gonna slide all that in there. Okay, I think I got it out. Slide that in there. All right. See, can I call the rest of this stuff? So this is gonna be my working hand. All right, let's add in there that 1 tablespoon of lime juice. All right, that 1 tablespoon of Worcestershire sauce. Throw that in there. Okay, let's add the 2 eggs. Put that in there. Let's add the I think here's him. Let's add the 1/4 cup of pineapple juice. Throw that in there. Let's add the 1/4 cup of milk. Okay, got that in there. Let's add the let's see what else I want to add. Let's add the cilantro. Alright, put the fresh cilantro in there. Alright. What else I gotta add? Oh, let's add the 1/2 cup of breadcrumbs. Put it all in there like that. Right. Now let's add the 1 teaspoon of salt and the 1 teaspoon of black pepper. I'm just gonna spread it through there like that. I may add more or less later. Don't know yet. And let's add the jerk seasoning. Spread that through there. Alright. Actually, that was a salt and pepper. Because it's about to make me sneeze. That's all my little containers. Yeah, all my little containers empty. I think that's it. Alright. Now, take my hand and I'm going through there. Mix it all together. Y'all see me? Hope I'm in the bowl. Yeah, okay. And what I'm going to do is, I'm going to put this in the fridge. I'm going to put it in a container and put a lid on it. And I'm going to put this in the fridge overnight. I want the seasonings to go all through here. And tomorrow what I'll do is, I'll take my meatball scooper and roll my meatballs and put them on little mini subs. Okay. So let me mix this. Be right back, y'all. Alright, y'all, look. Got it all mixed up. And I'm about to take it. Put it in my bowl right here. And I'm going to cover it up. That's all of it? Yeah, that's all of it. I got all of it. Yes, yeah. Cover it up. Y'all see that? Where my camera at? There we go. Put the lid on it. Let it marinate. Let the season go through overnight. And we'll cook them tomorrow. See y'all tomorrow. Alright, y'all. It's the next day. We about to put these babies in the oven. Look, I got them chilled. Y'all see it? So all the season that went through that meat. Oh, it smells so good. Okay. Yeah. Okay, I got me a cookie sheet right here. I've been lined with Reynolds fall paper. Y'all get y'all some good fall paper. Stop using that cheap fall paper. That fall paper be like paper. It ain't good enough for tearing and sticking. So I want to put some cooking spray. Put some cooking spray on my fall paper. That what the recipe say. I gotta get some more cooking spray. All right, so put that on there like that. All right. Now I got my cookie scooper, meatball / cookie scooper. Y'all see it? Look at that, stainless steel. All right. Let me get a ball. Let me get some of this right here. So fill that up and put it right there and release. Look at that. Perfect meatballs. All right. Let me fill this tray up. Do one more. Hope my camera's in the pan. Do another one. Let me see y'all see my, and bow. There we go. I'll ball them up and make them a perfect ball after a while. Be right back to show y'all what's going in the oven. Oh, my oven is set at 375, and they're gonna go in for 20 minutes. Then another 10 minutes on 425. All right, let me get this on the sheet. All right, y'all, there we go. This makes between 40 and 41 meatballs using your cookie scooper or your meatball scooper. See there? Look at that. I got them 9 per row. There we go. So I'm about to put these in the oven for 20 minutes on 375, and then another 10 minutes on 425 to let them brown. And I'm gonna show y'all the sauce that go in it that I'm gonna put in my my crock pot. All right, let these babies bake. They've been in for 20. Ooh, that oven hot. They've been in for 20 minutes. Look at that. They've been in there for 20 minutes at 375. So now I'm about to put them back in there, and I'm about to set the oven to 425. We should be about right there for another 10 minutes. So they've been in 10 minutes. Ooh, this oven hot. It's been in 10 minutes on look at this, look how nice and brown. So they've been in 10 minutes at 425. All right, be right back and make sure I get them secured, safe and secure. All right, there we go, y'all. There go the jerk meatballs out of the oven. Here go my crock pot. I got it heated up already. Actually, it's hot. And this is the KC Masterpiece Caribbean jerk marinade / sauce that you're going to put on there. That's it. And got my little tongs with the hands on it. Y'all see that? Y'all see that? How I say? So I'm going to take them. See, like, take them like that. Put them in the pot. I ain't got to show y'all that. Here, y'all know they go in the pot. Let me have fun with my little tongues right quick. Ah! It won't grip. Let me get a spoon, y'all. Y'all got them in my crock pot. Now, put that sauce all in there. Alright, y'all, there they go in the crock pot. My crock pot is hot already. And let's put our sauce in there. Our Caribbean sauce. Yeah, baby. I'll let y'all do, I'm going to do a taste test after a while and let y'all see me taste it with my New Orleans Saints Corona mask on my face. Alright, let me shake this up. Alright, there you go, y'all. It's heated up and I'm about to taste it. Alright. I got my mask on so I can show y'all my Saints mask. Look at that. My sister-in-law had just made it for me. Look. Y'all see the Saints? No. You know I gotta take it out to eat it. Ain't no germs in my house. Alright, let me get a toothpick and get one of these babies out of here. Get my little thing. Make sure I got that sauce on there. I still gotta make sure I get the sauce. Come on, let me get one of this toothpick. Come on, come on. There we go. There we go, y'all. All right. Ah, I'm letting y'all see the eyes. All right, let's take this Jamaican jerk meatball. Goody, goody. A little spicy, but it's jerk. It's supposed to be. Yeah, this is good. I ain't got no more. All right, just a thumbs up recipe, y'all. I'm gonna tag it in my video. Go make this song. Y'all see me make it. Bye, y'all. Stay safe. When people say don't go nowhere, be and catch the Karina and the Corona. Whatever's one. Bye.